Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So this one is going to be a lot different than my usual videos because it is going to be a bit more of like a vlog, studio vlog type video. I don't have work today until 1 o'clock, so I have the entire morning to make Christmas presents and do all sorts of cozy stuff. I hope that you enjoy this more casual type of video because I would really like to continue doing these, so let me know in the comments down below. So the plan for today is that there is no plan and we'll figure out what happens. Oh, okay. Goodbye.
I'm feeling so underdog.
I think I'll try to get some Christmas presents done today, and because I have no money, I'm going to make them myself. So a few videos back I made these DIY oven mitts. I love them so much that I kept them for myself, so now I'm gonna have to make some new ones to use as presents, but that's fine because it actually doesn't take that long. So I'm gonna make a couple of these and then hopefully get to some other presents as well. And no, I am not changing out of my PJs to do this. So I just realized that I have nowhere near enough yarn to complete 2 entire of these because there is as much yarn left as I used for this piece here, and that is not square. So either I have to start over and make it a lot smaller, which would look stupid, or I have to find another yarn and start over. Okay, I'm back with white. So now I get to start all over. It's okay, didn't have anything to do anyway. It's fine. Okay, finally finished the first one. But this yarn is so annoying because it's like thicker in some areas and really thin in others. See, like here in this corner it's super thick. It's not great. It just took way longer than I had hoped. I guess I'll get to the second one now. I just finished the other oven mitt, so now I have these two. And I just need to attach the leather straps to them. So now there's about half an hour till I have to go to work. It gets dark about 3 o'clock here. So usually if I have work all day, I leave home when it's dark and I get home when it's dark. So I just spend all day in darkness and it's really sad. But yeah, now I'm gonna hurry up and eat some lunch and then get going. So I am back from work and I'm gonna continue with these bad boys and hopefully finish them tonight. And tomorrow I have work all day, so I probably won't be able to do much. So right now I need to attach this leather string to the 2 pot holders. And I've done that. I think I am going to do a blog post on my website because I'm way behind with that. Oh, and this is only my 4th cup today, which is pretty good for me. So I just finished the blog post and that is up now. And it's about 9 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna do a bit of editing before I go to bed. Thanks for coming with me today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I made it back from work. I think I'm gonna do a embroidery present for my sister. So I'm gonna get started on that now. So I've just chosen this, I think it was a tablecloth at one time. And then I'm just placing the smaller hoop on the bottom and then the larger loop on top. So it's nice and tight. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So now I'm just gonna cut around this, I guess. So this is the very rough design that I am gonna go for, I think. But let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try to transfer it somehow to this now. So I just transferred the design onto the embroidery hoop. I'm honestly way too lazy to get like stabilizer and stuff, so I'm just gonna go straight ahead and stitch. Okay, so I've almost finished the black details and it's looking pretty good so far. I think it's almost 9 o'clock now, so I am gonna go for a quick walk with my friend and then I am gonna come back and probably do some more. Okay, so this is the progress I've made today, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. So I'm excited to keep working on that tomorrow, and I'm gonna go to bed now because it's like 11 o'clock. Good morning, everyone. I didn't have to be at work this morning today either, so I am just gonna relax and nurse this headache that I'm experiencing right now. And then I think I'm just gonna continue with my embroidery project. Okay, so this is where we are right now, and I'm actually really happy with it so far. But yeah, I have to go to work soon, so I think I can do a little bit more and then I'll have to get going. And when I get back, I have to edit this video and upload it. We'll see how that goes. But I think I'm going to end this vlog for now, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll post a picture of the finished product if you want to see that. But otherwise, if you have any ideas for future videos or questions, please leave a comment down below. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye!